Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tailored Acres. I'm Taylor, and I am a gardener in Wisconsin, Zone 4B. And today's video is going to be about petunia maintenance. As you can see, I have some planted here in my landscaping, and I also have some in hanging baskets. There we go. This year. So I'm going to walk you through what I'm going to be doing here at the start of July. So as you can see, we have nice blooms on this, but it is getting really tall and a little bit stringy. So cutting them back now is going to set them back about a week or two maybe, but once they come back, they're going to have a really nice fresh flush of flowers. So what I'm looking for here is to cut it down where kind of the leaves start again more thickly. So I'll just kind of do a couple here. Ooh, this hurts. And I will show you up front because my rabbits actually did a bunch for me earlier, and those are looking a lot better than these right now. So again, I'm just looking, I'm going to cut right above some leaf nodes, and these look really healthy, which is awesome. There. So I did also get some more petunias to plant in here because these are just looking a little sad. And next year, I think I'm going to actually plant this area like it's a basket. So I'm going to have a bunch of different annuals in here with them. So these are just a purple petunia, and I'm just going to plant these kind of right next to them here. Well, I should have grabbed a spade. Then I'm also going to put some Biotone starter fertilizer in there with them. I use this stuff for everything I plant. And then I'm also going to grab some other fertilizer for the rest of the petunias that are already established. Right, so I'll just get this guy here, and then I'll show you the hanging baskets next. I keep wanting to say raised baskets. They are raised. They are baskets. I guess that's technically correct. There. So hopefully those will blend together to make a really nice look there.
My mic stopped recording for these videos, so I'm not sure what I was trying to tell you, but I'm going to try to summarize what I think is going on here. So I'm just giving you a close-up view of how I cut these petunias. You can see there's nice big leaves down here, so they're going to bounce back. So this one I also pruned, but it was more bushy to begin with, so some of the flowers remained, and I just tried to make it an overall like rounded shape. And this one is a great example of a likey one that I just planted, and that's what we're looking at. So you can see how tall it is here, and that the leaves are going to be in the lower half. So I'm kind of going to take it back to half. And the one next to it over here was taken down by the bunnies, and you can see how much more bushy and floriferous this one is already. So there is a point to doing this, and they will look great once they flush back with their flowers. And here is another example of how the bunnies have been pruning my petunias. So this is another one that they pruned back, and it is flushing back really nicely, as well as this one, and this one on the end is a little bit newer. So this is my hanging basket that I have, and I absolutely love the colors in here, both the dark purple and then these like mixes. So there's 3 plants in here total. Before I forget, this is the fertilizer that I'm going to be using today. It is rose tone, but it is also for other flowering plants, and it is a pretty well balanced fertilizer. It's a 4-3-2, so we're looking for phosphorus for blooms in here, and the nitrogen we want to be a little bit careful with because that could make our plants just put on a lot of green growth, which we want them to be having lots of flowers.
All right, so I'm gonna take after this one the same way. Now, some of it you want to be trailing, but we're getting some really big growth right now, and I want this to go through fall. So that's why I'm pruning it back now. So hopefully it will be good for quite a while still. It does help if you deadhead these as well. You don't have to for most of the proven winner varieties. Some of these are like this one, which is absolutely gorgeous. Gosh, the bugs are just crazy today. And last night we had crazy mosquitoes, but I haven't had any yet today, so hoping that is just at night right now. Ay. Flies in my ears though. This is my first year ever doing hanging baskets, which blows my mind that I've never tried it before. And I'm absolutely in love with it. I actually put 2 more hanging baskets on my Christmas list. These ones I got off of Amazon. I can try to remember to put a link down. They are just beautiful. I love them so much. And they add a lot to the front of our house, which I really like. Didn't really realize that we needed it. This is going to look so sad when I'm done. But I know it's for the best. And this is a super Bina in here. This one, and I really like it. I tried super Binas last year in the landscaping, or maybe it was 2 years ago now. And the rabbits just annihilated them. So the hanging baskets it is, because they can't get to them, which is great. Bug went right in my ear. I'm leaving some of these that have buds on them. Some of the super Bina. Okay, that's looking really, really good. All right, pick this up and show you guys. Nice and rounded. So I'm going to put some fertilizer in here. Here's my second basket, and this one, some leaves that are struggling, but you can see it's like all at the front. There's nothing going on in the back, which is kind of funny. So I am going to trim it back. There are some leaves with something going on in there. Might be too wet. But again, I'm just going to give it a nice haircut, and hopefully it will fill in a little bit better. All the super Bina is going out the back though. Okay, so we'll just get after this guy. All right, here we go. Ugh. Those are harlequin beetles, and they are everywhere this year. They really like the snapdragons. That's where I see them the most. Yep, there's more of them. And that's it for petunia care for today. I'm looking forward to showing you guys the show once these bush out again. Take care.